Planning process involves certain logical steps which is required to be followed by an organization to achieve its desired goal. The first and foremost step in the planning process is setting objectives. Every organization must have certain objectives. Objectives may be set for the entire organization and each department or unit within the organization. Objectives specify goals, what the organization wants to achieve. That is, each point of planning or the end result of activities. Second step of planning process is developing premises. Planning is concerned with the future, which is uncertain. Therefore, the manager is required to make certain assumptions about the future, which are considered to be the base material upon which plans are to be drawn. These assumptions are called planning premises. Third step of planning process is identifying alternative course of action. Once objectives are set and assumptions are made, then the next step is to identify all possible alternative courses of action to achieve the objectives. If the project is important, then more alternatives should be generated and thoroughly discussed among the members of the organization. The next step is to find out all the positive and negative aspects of each and every alternative courses in respect to the objectives to be achieved. This is the real point of decision making. The best plan has to be adopted and implemented. The ideal plan would be the most feasible, profitable, and with least negative consequences. Sometimes a combination of plans may be selected instead of one best course. The manager will have to apply permutations and combinations and select the best possible course of action. This step is concerned with putting the plan into action, that is, doing what is required. This is the step where other managerial functions also come into the pictures. For example, if there is a plan to increase production, then more labor, more machinery will be required. This step will also involve organizing for labor and purchase of machinery. The last step is follow-up action, means to see whether plans are being implemented and activities are performed according to plans. Monitoring the plan is equally important to ensure that objectives are achieved.